Hi everyone. I've written a paper. It's not complicated. It's about masses combined in series and parallel, and I put it up on academia.edu. But you have to be a member to download it. So I have also put it here on my Google page. You can find it down here. And there is also a link to this site on my YouTube channel up here. Okay, so it's easy to find. And here is the paper. It's about how to combine mass in series and in parallel. And it's quite easy, and we do it all the time. When we combine masses in the usual way, when we just add the masses together, we do it in serial. And when we have a collision, especially when we have elastic collision, we actually are combining masses in parallel, like this, from the perspective of the spring. Okay, so to show how it works, to give you a feeling what I'm trying to say, I compare when you have two capacitors and an inductor, and like this, you have C1 and C2, and you have an inductor to make it an elastic collision. And then I combine the capacitors into one, and I calculate, to show how it works, I calculate the charge, and midway, if it were an inelastic collision, I subtract the charge, so we have 0 volts. And what it looks like if we have the two capacitors instead of the replacement capacitor up here. And then I calculate what it looks like when we have an elastic collision. When we then I subtract the charge once more and give the result here. And then I give a fast version when I just show you what happens, or how you calculate velocities when you have a collision, an elastic collision of two masses. And we have it here on page 5, the last page. And then I try to explain when we experience it in real life, because we do it all the time, but we just don't think about it. And because this is not just a mathematical construct, and it's if you have ever been on a boat, you know what I'm talking about when I write that when you push the boat away from the port, you have to push an amount of with a force to get a speed. But if you push away from an equal-sized boat, you just have to push with half the force to have the same speed between the boats. And that's why we have the masses in parallel. So check out my paper if you're interested in what I'm trying to say. And thank you for watching.